You've seen waxing videos before, but nothing like this. This is Opal Peelable Wax, and the results might just shock you. Watch closely. You won't believe what happens. Welcome to MT Health, your go-to for smart, safe self-care. Today, we're exploring one of the newest trends in bikini waxing. It's called Opal Peelable Wax, and it's going viral for a reason. But is it all hype, or does it really deliver? Opal Peelable Wax is a type of hard wax with a shimmering, pearl-like finish. Unlike strip wax, it hardens on your skin and is removed without cloths. It's marketed as being more gentle, precise, and better for sensitive areas. Let's see how it holds up under real conditions. Step 1. Proper skin preparation is key. Clean the area thoroughly and ensure the skin is completely dry. Professionals recommend trimming hair to about a 1/4 inch for best results. Apply a light dusting of powder to absorb moisture and reduce pulling. Now, apply the wax in the direction of hair growth. It should be a thick, even layer with a firm edge for easy removal. Let it cool and harden. This usually takes 30 to 45 seconds. Then, grip the edge and pull quickly, keeping your hand parallel to the skin. And just like that, the hair is gone and the skin looks instantly smoother. Let's take a look at the before and after. On the left, unshaven skin. On the right, after waxing with opal wax. You'll notice less redness and minimal irritation. The finish is clean and the skin looks more refined. Like any product, opal wax has pros and cons. The pros: it's strip-free, often less painful and ideal for coarse hair. The cons: it's more expensive than regular wax and technique matters. Improper use can lead to bruising or minor burns, especially in sensitive zones. Here are 3 expert tips to get the best results. First, avoid waxing during your menstrual cycle. You're more sensitive. Second, always pull the wax parallel to the skin, not straight up. Third, moisturize 24 hours after waxing to soothe and hydrate the skin. And never wax over broken or irritated skin. So is Opal Peelable Wax worth the buzz? For many, it offers salon-level results at home, with a bit of practice. If you're looking for a cleaner, gentler waxing option, this might be it. If you found this helpful, subscribe to MTH Health for more honest reviews. Drop a comment below. Would you try this wax? Thanks for watching. See you in